Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Super Green Goli review? If yes, then watch this video. As people from United States are getting very curious to know about the supplement Super Green Goli. These are the gummies packed with vitamins extended with your vision for healthy living, claiming to provide you with more vibrant life. These are providing by well-known brand Goli, dealing with such health effective supplements that are easy to consume. Super Green Goli is a blend of 11 super greens, essential vitamins, probiotics, and nutrients that will help you with your daily intakes conveniently and easily. The benefits of this product are like as extracted from the links about Super Green Goli, we revealed that this is an evidence based product with the incredible and effective benefits like the gummies will help you with increased and better digestive health. These will also help you with better liver functioning. The gummies will provide you with a strong immune system, improving your overall health. The Goli Super Greens will provide health metabolic energy to your body. The ingredients they have broccoli, spinach, carle, parsley, vitamin B12, A, B6, etc. Like these are all the basic ingredients used in the basic production of these gummies. Like apart from these benefits, there are multiple reasons to consume the same. Like they will help you conveniently consume green vegetables, giving you a handful of more reason for the same. These gummies are plant based, sugar free, and keto friendly. These are vegan, cruelty and gelatin free, providing zero or minimal harm to the environment. Goli is free from yeast, eggs, milk, wheat, peanuts, fish, artificial colors, and are packed with micronutrients essential for your health. As far as reviews are concerned, the review says that these are offered with a money back guarantee. In case the customer are not satisfied with the result, they can return the same and get easy refund. The positive point of Goli Super Greens are the gummies are claims to be an effective supplement for everyday green. The product is easy to consume. Customer have given positive review about the product. Negative points about the product are the product's launch date is not mentioned. So here question is Super Goli worth the cost? As we are analyzing different points, so we can say that the product has been trending over the internet with many links directing to its benefits and uses. Reviews can easily be fetched over the internet as many customers have shared their experience for the same. Brand dealing with this product was launched back in 2003 and has provided similar beneficial products to their customer. The brand's social media appearance is also found with thousands of followers on their website, especially on their pages of Instagram and Facebook. The brand is offering the money back guarantee option for to their customer where they can request a return in case of any doubt. As far as reviews are concerned, we found multiple reviews and the same are very easily available on the internet. All these reviews are in favor of the product. Some of its customers have commented that they are not a fan of green vegetables, and these gummies have completely replaced the green in their lives, improving their overall health. So in final conclusion, we can say that this is a worth purchase product, and the product is beneficial for your health. So you can buy this green goalies, and if you have experience of using this product, please share your experience, write in the comment box and share your views about Super Green Goalies, how it is beneficial for your health.